What's up, guys? Welcome back to another FTV video. Today we're pretty much doing the exhaust, giving the intro of the exhaust take. I got my boy in the passenger seat over here.
What?
Doesn't want to make an appearance, at least not yet. You guys seen him before though. He has this clean ST. I'll roll a clip real quick. What's good, yo? My name is Louis.
I'm Devin. This is my car though. That's what it looks like.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do the exhaust. I'm deleting, well, not deleting, I'm putting a high flow resonator. The car right now just has like a 2000 look.
I don't know.
Like a 2000 Civic Si muffler, yeah. I think. It's because like when this guy owned it, he put it on, and it sounds decent. Like I'll try to throttle, but you guys will probably not even hear anything. In like 3, 2, 1. Let's see.
Later, Grandma.
Okay. But yeah, I don't know if that was even caught on the audio, but that's pretty much how it sounds like right now. I'll show you guys another clip of like how the car sounds when it's warm. But besides the point, I'm gonna go ahead and do a resonator high flow. I'm going to my local exhaust shop that's near me. Well, not near me, kind of near me, about like 40 minutes away, 30 minutes away. So we'll see what's up. But now let's get going. Let's enjoy the video, guys.
Were you gonna shout them out?
Alright guys, so we're here.
We're here.
And let's go get ahead and do this.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, so we pretty much installed the resonator. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some flybys real quick. What's good, guys? Today's another day. Pretty much I finished the installation yesterday and the car actually sounds really good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a cold start, but I really like the mod. Honestly, it sounds a little louder, not too much, but just deep enough where it sounds pretty good. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. car is looking pretty good and it's sounding really nice. Like, to be honest, when it's warm and everything, it sounds really good from the exterior portion of it. But I think it's a really good mod, to be honest. But I do have more plans for it. Like, there's a lot more things to do. Given a hint, one of the things is that I need to fix the paint. Well, with that, I already have a bunch of parts that are related to that in my house. Like, for instance, the side skirts, the rear bumper lip. I bought the spoiler yesterday too, but of course, like, the paint isn't in the best condition, but we're gonna address that eventually. But yeah, like, I have a bunch of parts sitting at the house. We're gonna put those on eventually. Probably not this year, more like next year when things are warmer. But we're gonna fix the whole paint on this car and then add the body kit. I do also plan on getting new wheels. Like, I'm gonna use these as the winter set because they're just on the wheels. But the new wheels, they're gonna look so good in this car, and suspension. But yeah, guys, leave a comment down below what you guys think. I think the car is looking pretty phenomenal. Plus the exhaust clips, like, as you guys saw, it sounds really good. Like, I really am happy with it. Like, I'm really content. But yeah, make sure to leave a like, comment down below what you guys think of the exhaust, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.